In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export QuickBooks online data to Excel. Whether you need to share numbers with your team, back up a report, or do a deeper analysis in spreadsheets. This quick walkthrough will show you exactly how to take data out of QuickBooks Online and into an Excel file you can work with. Be signed into your company with permission to view reports. First, head to the Reports area. On the left-hand navigation, there's a tab labeled Reports. Click that to open your reporting dashboard. If the sidebar is collapsed, expand it or look for the graph icon. Next, find and open the specific report or list you want to export. You can scroll through the standard reports, use the search bar at the top, or open your favorites if you've saved any. This works for common reports like profit and loss or balance sheet, as well as lists such as customers or vendors. Before you export, it's a good idea to set the correct date range, accounting method, columns, and filters, so your Excel file contains exactly what you need and you don't have to clean it up later. With the report on screen, locate the export control. In many layouts, you'll see a small paper with an arrow icon near the top right of the report. On newer or modernized reports, that option may be tucked inside a More Actions menu, usually also at the top. If you don't see it, try widening your browser window or reducing zoom so the toolbar items are visible. Click the Export option and choose Export to Excel. QuickBooks may also show choices like PDF or CSV, but for a native spreadsheet, choose the Excel option. QuickBooks will generate an .xlsx file, and depending on your browser, it will either download automatically or prompt you to pick a location. When prompted, save the file to your computer. Choose a folder you can easily find later, Downloads, Desktop, or a shared drive, and give the file a clear name with the report type and date, for example, PNL Q3 2025.xlsx. Avoid special characters that some systems don't like. If your browser saves automatically, check your Downloads tray or the Downloads folder. For large reports, allow a few moments for the export to complete. That's all there is to it. Navigate to Reports, open what you need, use the Export option, choose Excel, and save the file. If the Export button is grayed out, you may need additional permissions from your QuickBooks administrator. Pop-up blockers or strict download settings can also interfere, so temporarily allow downloads if you're prompted. Once saved, you can open the file and continue your analysis.